This is Stitch Kit. It's a product that we developed to make technology more accessible and allow you to be creative in ways that you didn't know was possible.
Stitch Kit is a perfect thing for anyone to start learning and making their own wearable technology, because it has all of the components to create whatever you need to. All you need is some fabric and you can get started.
The kit will include the board, LED strips, sensors, 3D printed diffusers, and all the wires necessary for the completion of the piece.
You do not need a programming background. You do not need an electronics background.
The Stitch Kit is going to be the first make fashion board that will be easy to use by everybody, from students to professionals.
You can take technology and enhance the human form. You can give people superhuman powers. And that's pretty cool. It used to be, something we saw on the TV screen or at the movies, but now we can do it and turn ourselves into superhumans.
We all have the potential to be able to create really cool technological things, and Stitch Kit really makes those things accessible, so that's why I'm really excited about it.
Until last year, there was probably very little technology besides the use of our everyday sort of sewing machines and equipment, until we did the sort of a partnership with Make Fashion, and they brought in a whole new world of wonderful technology to learn to incorporate technology into wearable garments.
I think getting more and more people into it and more telling their story and saying how easy it really is can really help people be like, oh, if they can do it,
if we can do it, then
I
they can do it, yeah.
You know?
Because we knew nothing going into it, and we just completely picked it up.
So I think Stitch Kit is really awesome because it allows people to create wearable tech and fashion tech pieces far easier and far faster than ever would have done before.
For us, fashion tech has been a powerful experience in shaping not just the future of the field, but also as a way to empower those around us and create a meaningful and lasting community. We hope you can join us.